Wheezing and chest tightness are more than minor discomforts. They deserve attention. When the airways narrow or become inflamed, every breath feels heavier and more difficult. This can result from asthma, allergies, infections, other medical causes, or even exposure to pollution. Many people tend to brush off these symptoms, assuming they will fade on their own. However, ignoring them can increase the risk of complications and make breathing more difficult over time. The reassuring part is that early medical care can change the outcome. With timely diagnosis and appropriate treatment, the lungs can regain strength and breathing can return to normal.